What's up, guys? You're the Burping King here, back in another video. Today, we will obviously be burping. I got my almond milk. So the other video, if you checked it out, you might want to check the comments, but I kind of screwed up on the title. It says burping with liquids. I meant to put no liquids at all, and I'm doing it by myself. I'll try and do this every day around evening-ish. Soon my friends will be on a video, but maybe not early this week, maybe the ending of the week, Saturday or Sunday, something like that. When they get to stay over for a couple days, or maybe something like that. Yeah, let's start burping. I'm gonna keep the video. I'm gonna sit down and do this because when I stand up, it kind of screwed the last video up. So we're gonna get it right, get the intro right, and everything. So here we go. Man. Maybe like if I post every day, growth should be slightly more. And let me. Yeah, every day, just everyday growth. Just shit myself. Let's see. Just to let you guys know, I never really tell this to anyone, but my subscriber goal is like 500-ish, but I'm just waiting, just building up every 100 to 50 subscribers. Just like, it's not going to be a July special or anything. Just a goal. Yep. Gotta use this air now. Oof. Okay, that's most of it. Alright, I'm gonna get something to drink. That's not gonna work. Alright, guys, I think that'll be it for this one. I'll see you in the next one tomorrow. And yeah. Peace.